That song was brought to you by
ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, maker of world-class quality Pride detergent.
Yes FM! Maulan man, no worries na amoy kulob ang damit.
Charm, Babcon, bangong kumakabloom, tanggal amoy kulob sa bango ng Charm.
Charm Babcon with Bloom Fresh technology kills 99.9% of kulob-causing bacteria tested. May aroma burst pa of thousands of flowers and berries.
Ang sampay sa loob, no amoy kulob.
Bangong kumakabloom sa Charm.
Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Isalig sa eksperto ang imong sakyan. Lucky Auto Glass and Car Tinting Services. Kung kabahin sa car tinting o pag-ilis o windshield, eksperto niya na ang Lucky Auto Glass and Car Tinting Services. Garantisadong kalidad ang ilang trabaho, barato pagyod. Ang mga installer, eksperto kabahin sa automotive glass, safety glass, door glass, back glass, tempered glass, laminated glass, rubber replacement, car and office tinting, acrylic plastic, stickers ug one pa. Lucky Auto Glass and Car Tinting Services. Ana nimo makita sa Cervantes Street, Dumaguete City at bang sa police station, kilid lang sa DCDB o matawag lang sa telepono 422-4416.
Naglipa na ang mga papaya soaps. Napansin nyo ba mga girls and guys? Aminin, gusto nyo rin pumuti. Sa dinami-dami ng papaya soaps na makikita nyo sa groceries, may isang namumukod tanging White Rose Papaya. Mula sa White Rose, dahil hindi lang papaya extracts ang ingredient nito, meron ding vitamin B3. Nakikita ito sa mga mamahaling mga serums na kilalang nagpapabilis ng pagpapaputi ng balat. Kaya naman ang White Rose Papaya, clinically proven magpaputi in as early as 7 days with regular use. Papaya puti, papaya fast. Yan ang White Rose Papaya.
Sa panahon ngayon, kau ba'y sigurado? Kau ba'y protektado? Ang pamilya ay i-shield mo. Laban sa bakterya, i-shield mo. Laban ng matibay, i-shield mo.
Shield Bath Soap. Patay ang 99.9% sa bacteria ug virus tested. Bilib ang mga eksperto sa Philippine Nurses Association.
Sa sakit protektado, i-shield mo. Pamilya protektado, i-shield mo.
Shield Bath Soap. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS. Star Wax, Star Wax, Wax. Star Wax, Star Wax, Wax. Always remember, sa paglinis, pakitawin ang sahig. Mrs. Star Wax, Wax. Kitang na to the max.
Star Wax ang #1 floor wax. Dunay waterproof formula. Bisan yaman ng tubig, mabalik ka sinamang sa loob.
Star Wax, Wax. Kitang na to the max.
Star Wax Floor Wax. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
The most awaited sale is back as Appliance Centrum celebrates its 35th Coral Anniversary Sale. Appliance Centrum offers lots of giveaways like rice cooker, laundry basket, desk fan, and many more. Hurry and grab your needed appliances. Appliance Centrum 35th Coral Anniversary Sale. What are you waiting for? Shop on November 4 to December 14, 2024. Appliance Centrum located at San Juan Street, Dumaguete City with contact number 422-8899 or 225-4345. And in Bayuan Branch, Pingamo Street, Bayuan City for DTI Fair Trade Permit number R7-NOR-074 Series of 2024.
Get ready to dive into a refreshing pool of zesty goodness with Centerval Cakes and Pastries' new Sylvanas flavor. Introducing a summer-exclusive sensation, the new lemon-flavored Sylvanas. A zesty twist to Dumaguete's timeless favorite. A burst of refreshing lemon flavor that will make your taste buds sing. A perfect blend of mild sweetness and zinginess that screams summer fun. Come by Centerval Cakes and Pastries and treat yourself with our delightful lemon Sylvanas, where every bite is a party in your mouth. It's zesty, it's refreshing, it's the ultimate summer indulgence. Hurry in and catch the lemon Sylvanas while you can. Only available this summer. Centerval Cakes and Pastries, where every dessert is a delight. Visit us today. Stick to Juan Marco Loco.